If you want to make these types of video completely free, then watch this till the end.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be creating talking animated mask avatars for your videos. Just like the one used by the YouTuber 10x Income. This is a great way to add some personality and engagement to your videos. And the best part is that you can do it for free using some AI tools. First, we'll need to generate an image of the character you want to use. To do this, we'll be using a website called Leonardo. Head over to their website and generate an image using the model section. Write a prompt and then choose the absolute reality setting and change the ratio to 16:9 for horizontal videos or 9:16 for shorts or reels. You can also add negative prompts to fine-tune the image generation process. If you don't find the perfect image on the first try, don't worry, just change the prompt and try again. Once you're happy with the image, click on it to open it and download it. All prompts are in the description. Now, we'll be using another website called Hagen to create our animated video. After creating an account on Hagen, click on Create Video and choose Photo Avatar from the video format options. Upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo. Hagen allows you to write a script for your avatar, so you can use the same video for any script because the avatar is wearing a mask. Once you've written your script, hit the Submit button. After a while, your video will be compiled, but it will have a watermark. To remove the watermark, we'll use a website called Watermark Remover. Upload your video file to the website and select the area of the watermark. Once you've selected the watermark, click Download and your video will be saved without the watermark. And that's it. You've now created a talking animated mask avatar for your videos using free AI tools. This is a great way to add some personality and engagement to your videos. And it's surprisingly easy to do, so why not give it a try?